everyone, welcome to Coding Tricks. Hope you are doing great, right? Yes. So in our previous videos we have seen some tricks, right? Today we are going to learn some more tricks about Excel. So here I have given January with autofill color and also I want to get all the month names here. So I will get with the fill color. You can see the color here, right? So if you don't want this color, like if you want only Jan Feb like that, what you will do, you will just copy down like this, right? But if you want only the yellow color, that means if you want only the format, what you will do is you will just copy this, you will just copy and then you will paste it here. See, you can observe that again the color will come. So like this. So in this case what you will do is, here you can see the drop down list. So here you can see if you want only fill format only, so here you will get only format. If you want only the series, if you want only the series like Jan, Feb, March, fill without formatting, like this. Okay, then if you want Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like that. So I will show you Monday. Then I'm going to fill this. So here in this I have written Saturday, Sunday also. So if I am working in the office, so what I will do, I will not work on Saturdays and Sundays, right? So in that case, what you will do, if you don't want the weekends, what you will do is, here again you click on the drop down list, fill weekdays only. See here, no Saturday and Sunday at all. So again, if you want to fill the days again, Saturday and Sunday, what you will do is, you will fill days. See, you can see Saturday and Sunday. So this is how it will work. So mostly it is used in the office, like when you are not working, like when you are preparing the timetables again. Copying, pasting and formatting, again painting, format paint, all this is a big burden, right? So in that situations, it is very useful. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.